Options buyer. Options buyer refers to a trader who pays a premium to the seller for the right to buy or sell the underlying asset at the expiry. Options buyer can choose to buy call options or put options. Buying calls. The buyer of call options pays a premium to the seller for a right to buy the underlying asset at the strike price at a specific time in the future. An example, buyer A and seller B agreed that 1 week later, A could buy 1 BTC at the price of $10,000 from B, but A has to pay a $100 premium to B. After a week, the price of BTC rises to $13,000. Buyer A can exercise the option at this time, that is, purchasing 1 BTC at the price of $10,000 from B. Then buyer A will earn $2,900 equivalent BTC. Buying puts. The buyer of put options pay a premium to the seller for a right to sell the underlying asset at the strike price at a specific time in the future. Another example, buyer C and seller D agreed that 1 week later, C could sell 1 BTC at the price of $10,000 to D. But C has to pay a $100 premium to D. After a week, the price of BTC declines to $8,000. Buyer C can exercise the options at this time. That is, selling 1 BTC to D at the price of $10,000. Then buyer C will earn $1,900. Options buyer has the right, not the obligation to exercise the options. Options buyers could give up the execution right or close positions before the expiry if the market is unfavorable to them.